What if I told you you can create 30 days of content with one idea for free? Yes, for free. So stick with me. If you're ready to see that, go ahead and comment yes below, and we're going to hop right into it. So here we go. Alright, so today we're going to turn one idea into 30 days of content. And of course, we're going to use ChatGPT for that. So what we're going to do, of course, you're going to open up Chat. Ask Chat, give me 30 days of content to engage, improve engagement, because I do health, so health and wellness and women over 30 as it pertains to their faith, because that's what I do, okay? But you can do whatever you want, okay? So it's gonna give me this. Alright, so it's gonna tell me this. It's gonna give me a hook. You don't like discipline, you lack alignment, okay? So it's gonna give me all of this, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask it to put it in a table for me and what days to focus on. Doing this in real time. So it's going to give me the table. Okay, so topic, alignment over discipline, stewardship, because that's what I teach. Okay, that is what I teach. So we got that. So then I'm going to ask it to give me image ideas to use for these. So it gave me the image. So the first day, remember, it was like alignment. So you're sitting serious, alignment over motivation. So that would be the overlay. Now, again, you do not have to use the ideas that it gives you. Okay? You can actually use whatever you want. Okay? So I'm showing you this in chat. Okay? Now let's go over to Claude. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. Let me go over here and copy and paste it into Claude, because, we work smarter, not harder. So same thing, and let's see what it gives me. Now, the Claude I use, it is the free version, but it kind of knows what I do. And then Chat, of course, I have the paid version, and it definitely knows what I do. I do more than health and fitness, but this is what it's going to do. But honestly, I feel like Claude gives a little bit more, okay? So watch this. And this is the free version, y'all, which is crazy to me. It's almost ready. And if you use Claude, let me know below if you use Claude or not. If you use Claude or Chat. Now they both are fire, okay? And they both have their thing that they have, okay? But Claude sometimes is that girl, as we say. Okay, it's cooking a little bit. See how it's thinking and really like analyzing what I'm asking it to do? Like chat just came with it. So I'm gonna show you chat real quick before it comes back up. So chat, it just, it gave me, this is what it gave me, the basics. Like here girl, day 8, day 9. So let's see if Claude's still bidding. So yeah. And I already do have it anyway. But look at this. Architect an interactive 30-day wellness calendar framework. So all 30 days, or you can separate it through mind, you can do body, you can do spirit, community, nutrition. But these are the topics that you're going to focus on for the 30 days. Well, that I'm going to focus on for the next 30 days. So, look at this, y'all. So it's going to tell me to do a reel on day 1, a carousel on day 2, a static post on day 3, a reel on day 4, a story poll on day 5, a long caption post on day 6, and a reel on day 7. And then you just repeat that, okay? So it definitely gave me more than chat. Now, I will say Claude is more analytical and gives more information when you only give it the same thing, okay? Chat is going to give you what it wants to give you, okay? So I'm going to click on day 1. Is it going to give me more? So yeah, look at this. So your body's temple. This is what I teach. I teach temple care. And if you are looking for ways to take care of your temple, go over to my other channel called Kirky Loves You, or Demetrius Kingdom Fitness. I'll link it to this video as well. But nevertheless, so that's what I teach. Your body's a temple. What does that actually mean? Yes, come on. See, chat know what I'm doing. Claude know what I'm doing. So we quote 1 Corinthians 6:19, but do we live it? Here's what it looks like for women. Listen, and then it gives a caption, and then an engagement prompt from the audience, okay? And then do I want it to write the full caption? It's going to write the full caption. So listen, Claude is that girl. Meanwhile, hold on. Chat just gave me the basics, okay? It gave me some pictures and stuff. But listen, I don't even have to accent. I didn't even have to accent all of that. Because Claude just gave it to me. Okay? So this is your actual calendar of what you would use, okay? So say you're using Facebook. So what you're going to do, you're going to take this. And if you're like, you know what, I don't really have time for this, you can just really copy and paste this, okay? And I'm going to open up, let's see if I can open up Facebook for you. I'm going to open up, let's see if I can, yeah, so I'm just going to open this up. Your body is a temple. What does that actually mean? Or I'm going to say, do you know what that actually means? Okay? And if you follow me on here, then you're going to push next. Now this is where you can schedule. So you can post it now. It's May 2nd. Yeah, we can post it at 7:47. Why not? But if you schedule, I'm going to go back. Oh, that'll leave you. But you can share to a group if you don't want to. Hold on, let me see if I can go back. I don't think it's going to let me because I did schedule. What time is it? 5:48. Okay, so I'll go back to publish now. So yeah, you can share it in a group. So I have my group here, and if you're not in this group, you can do that. Do Kingdom Builder or any other group that I have or that you're in, you can schedule to that. or you can share it to my story. Now, it automatically shares to my story, or you can boost the post, which is basically paying for it. So I'm just going to schedule it for 7:48. Again, you cannot share it to a group if you're scheduling, but that's okay because we're going to schedule. Boom. Okay, now we're going to go back to Claude. So yeah, so now let's go down to see what it said when I asked it to write the full caption. So remember I said write the full caption for day 1, your body's a temple. What does that actually mean? And so it gives me this. Now, listen to me. You do not have to copy and paste this. Actually, you want it to kind of sound like you in a sense, okay? So some of this is something maybe I would say, but not necessarily. And I don't write long captions, so that's definitely a giveaway. But it's giving you all of this information, right? From me just asking it one question. So you can copy that. So say I'll have that, and then once it posts, I can copy this into the comment section, right? I don't have to, but I could. And then it also gives me hook options of what I could use as well. And then it gives me, listen, did I ask it for this? No. But because Claude is that girl, it's giving me that. Now, if I told it, include my business name, which is Fit for Christ, then it would do that. But I didn't. And then also, if I wanted to do a talking head, it's giving me what I should do. Again, you don't have to do this, but you can schedule it out if you want to. So you could go ahead and make your images and make them move and all of that just like you want to, okay? So the question is, are you going to use this or not? Which one are you going to use? Listen, like I said, chat, I would have to prompt it probably a lot different than it is. Or maybe if I said thinking, let's see what it would do. So it automatically put it in a table for me once I did thinking. So we got all that. Let's see if it's going to automatically give me more information. Okay, it's going to give me some sample hooks. And this is all my stuff that I already do, okay? But again, so this is what I would post every day for the next 30 days. And again, you can just copy and paste, or you can go into Canva and create some content and use that and just put the words on there, okay? Now, let me know below if you would want to see that. And if not, you're like, I already know how to do that, and that's cool. And I'll see you in the next video.